Ngayon ito maingay siya. Papalitan natin ng bearing ngayon. Yan. Kasi masyadong maingay. So babaklasin natin yan. Tapos ang technique ko sa kuryente niya is yung positive is nakasaksak dito yung positive, yung isang linya lang yan. Yan. Tapos yung return niya or negative dito ko na kinukuha. Yan, yan oh. Technique dyan para hindi masyado sa kuryente. Try nyo rin guys. Yan. Tignan mo, yan yung return or negative. Sa kanyang ground yan, ground. Tapos yung live is naka-live sa kuryente. Oh. Tapos ito, babaklasin natin yan ngayon. Okay guys. So, ito na yun. Nabaklas ko na siya. Oh. Yan, papalitan natin to ng bearing. Simple lang to eh. Simple lang siya. So, alisin natin to. Dito tayo mag-aalis dito. Dito natin alisin to dito. Alisin natin yan. Magsisiparit yan dito eh. Yeah. Ito ngayon siya, oh, naalis na. Dito natin siya alisin dito. Papapagin natin, nandito yung bearing sa loob eh. So alisin natin dito. Tapos huhugutin natin siya. Dito wala tayong gagawin dito eh. Yan. Dito alisin natin yan dito. Yan. Para man. Ayos. Diba? Ayos na ayos yan, diba? Yo, ito yung bearing na papalitan natin ito ngayon. Yan, papalitan natin yan. Tapos yung isa dito, ito yung isa. Yan, papalitan natin yan. Hugutin natin. Yan. Ano, yung isa. Itong maliit na to, itong maliit na yan, importante yan. Maliit lang yan kamo, pero malaking ginagawa yan. Tapos may lock siya, oh. Yan. May lock siya dito. So, alisin natin lahat to para maalis natin yung bearing dito. Yan lang, simple lang, ganyan. Oh. Ha? Ganyan lang siya. Yun, alis na. So, ito yung papalitan nating bearing. Ito, tsaka ito. Dalawa yan eh. Ito lang gagawin natin. Ito lang. Palitan ng bago, tapos balik. Yun, maingay kasi. Pag na-bearing na siya, maingay. Papalitan natin ang bearing ngayon. Step by step ko tinuturo sa inyo para pagkuhan, alam nyo. Lalagyan natin ang bearing niya, bago na yan. Gusto ko na yan, gusto ko na. So, lagyan naman natin ng dito sa loob. Lalagyan natin ng grasa para tatagal yung bearing. Tatagal yan. Lagyan natin yan. Tatagal yan.
They're standing, he's just quicker, he's more powerful than the ball, and then has the presence of mind to go right up to the rim.
Ito, sapak natin dito.
If you ever question the intensity of Sexton, you're getting a dose of what he does tonight. That's how he's wired. Right? He's the guy in Cleveland starting out. He's averaged over 22 different years. The stories of basketball, so they're creating like he is a tireless worker. Straight A student growing up, his mom said, you don't get straight A's, you're not playing high level basketball. That's a motivation right there. Yeah. He's probably the guy that has the cleanest closet on the team. Everything has its place. And boy, when I see the clean closets, I guess his alumnus closet is not so clean. That was a big hoop. Huge three-point play. That bottle's on Kentucky.
Yun, tapos na. Okay.
21 for Brunson, one more. 113 to 104. American First Credit Union is the only place you can get the official Utah Jazz Visa debit card. Score yours today at AmericanFirst.com. Let's try to hang around one more time. 2:47 left. Oh, off the hand. I thought it was off the market. I believe Randall was able to reach in as well as Brunson. He doesn't miss 5 free throws in a game. Now that's the case. So Jazz catching a break there. Still thinking of 3 stops to solidify this one. Let's see what they do with this one. You said play aggressive. Don't play. You don't want to slow the tempo. Oh, there's a little slip. Andrew the hand for Olynyk. Olynyk grab. It looked like the foot of DiVincenzo prevented him from diving after the ball. Yeah, they're going to get it. Watch this. Olynyk slips. When this ball is floating, watch him reach back and grab it and hold his leg. Now that could they say that's a non-basketball play? Well, like it could be a flagrant one. It could be. It's not a team foul. It's not a flagrant foul. That's what it could be. If that's the case, free throws at the ball changes the whole complexion of this game of 2.5 ago. Here we look at it again. You see this, the ball jumps out of Olynyk's hands, and he just trying to play a basketball move here to keep DiVincenzo from gaining possession, but in the process, back to your point, let's see what they see on the grab of that ankle right there. The squeeze there. See that? And as it rolls down the leg, and DiVincenzo sells it well, he can't get to the ball. I think what they're